Now we have a question on void relation, that is void relation on A set A is reflexive and symmetric, or symmetric and transitive, or equivalence, and last option is can't be set / incomplete information. Now we know that every subset of A cross A is a relation on A, that is if R is any subset of A cross A, then R is a relation on A, and phi is the subset of every set, so phi is the subset of A cross A as well. Hence phi is a relation on A and phi is said to be void relation. Now phi cross phi has the only subset phi, that is null set. So void relation is the only relation which can be defined on empty set. Now for reflexivity, कोई रिलेशन R किसी सेट A में रिफ्लेक्सिव होगा if X belongs to A, then X, S must belongs to R. Now if A is empty, then R के A में रिफ्लेक्सिविटी चेक करने के लिए A के पास कोई एलिमेंट नहीं है, दैट इज R की A में रिफ्लेक्सिविटी चेक करने की void सिचुएशन है, and void relation is the only relation which can be defined on A. Since A is empty, so we can say void relation on the empty set is reflexive. Now if A is not empty, then there is an element in A. Say X belongs to A, then for reflexivity X must belongs to R. But void relation is an empty set, so by the definition of reflexivity, void relation on a non-empty set is not reflexive. Hence we have void relation on an empty set is reflexive, and void relation on a non-empty set is not reflexive. Now for symmetric, कोई रिलेशन R किसी सेट A में सिमेट्रिक होगा if X, Y belongs to R, then Y, X must belongs to R. Now whether A is empty or A is non-empty, void relation के पास सिमेट्री चेक करने के लिए एलिमेंट नहीं है. सिंस void relation is a null set, that is void relation की सिमेट्री चेक करने की void सिचुएशन है. So we can say void relation on an empty or void relation on a non-empty set is symmetric. Now for transitive, कोई relation R किसी set A में transitive होगा if X, Y and Y, Z belongs to R, then X, Z must belongs to R. Now whether A is empty or A is non-empty, void relation के पास ट्रांजिटिविटी चेक करने के लिए एलिमेंट नहीं है. सिंस void relation is a null set, that is void relation की ट्रांजिटिविटी चेक करने की void सिचुएशन है. So we can say void relation on an empty or void relation on a non-empty set is transitive. Hence void relation on an empty set is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, that is equivalence, and void relation on a non-empty set is symmetric and transitive. So we cannot tell about void relation without knowing whether A is empty or A is non-empty. Hence D is correct option. Equivalence when A is an empty set, and symmetric and transitive when A is a non-empty set. That's it.